The dreaded dead battery, a common car problem. Let's face it, we've all been there. You go to start your car, and all you get is a click. Or worse, nothing at all. A dead battery is a frustrating experience, but it's often a symptom of a bigger issue: parasitic battery drain. This means something in your car is drawing power even when the car is off, slowly draining your battery over time. Ignoring this can leave you stranded with a dead battery, potentially damaging your battery's lifespan. Don't worry, diagnosing and fixing a parasitic drain is something you can do at home with a few simple tools and a little know-how. In this guide, we'll walk through the process step by step, helping you become your own car doctor and save some money in the process. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before working on any electrical components in your car. Gearing up tools for the job. Before we start hunting down that pesky battery drain, let's gather our tools. You won't need anything fancy, just a few basic items you probably already have in your garage. First and foremost, you'll need a digital multimeter. This handy tool measures electrical current, and we'll use it to pinpoint the source of the drain. Next, grab a 10mm socket or wrench. This is for disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Finally, a test light can be helpful, but it's optional. It's a simple tool that lights up when it detects electrical current. With these tools ready, we can move on to preparing your car for the test. Prepping your car and meter for the test. Now that we have our tools, let's get your car ready. First things first, safety. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before working on any electrical components. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety. With the negative terminal disconnected, it's time to grab your multimeter. Set your multimeter to measure DC amps, usually indicated by a capital A with a straight line above it. Connect the red lead of your multimeter to the disconnected negative battery cable. Next, connect the black lead of your multimeter to the negative battery post on the battery itself. Your multimeter is now connected in series and will show you how much current is flowing out of the battery. Finding the energy vampire, identifying and fixing the drain. Now for the moment of truth, is there a drain on your battery? Check the reading on your multimeter. Ideally you should see close to 0 amps, indicating minimal current draw. If the reading is significantly higher, say above 0.05 amps, you've got a parasitic drain. Now let's find the culprit. Start by visually inspecting your car's interior and exterior lights, glove box, trunk, and any other accessories that might be on. Make sure everything is turned off. If the drain persists, we'll need to check the fuses. One by one, remove each fuse from your car's fuse box while watching the multimeter. If removing a particular fuse causes the current reading to drop significantly, you've found the circuit with the drain. Consult your car's manual to identify the components on that circuit and inspect them for faults. Once you've fixed the issue, repeat the test to ensure the drain is gone. Remember, regular checks can help you catch these issues early and prevent being stranded with a dead battery. Stay safe and happy wrenching.